Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how Pro Mode looks in the smartphone. So you have to go for your camera and then pick the Pro Mode right here. And as you can see, here we got the standard Pro Mode, so there's no any surprises when you open it. So at the first you can for sure change the white balance. Here when you tap on this switcher we can adjust it manually. But here we got also the default balance. Wait a minute. Okay, maybe I'm going to change the shutter speed to show it you a little bit better and turn on the ISO. Okay, so as you can see right now it will be more clearly. Here we got the available modes, then you can quickly change. We can also go for the automatic, and as I said before, we can change it manually. Next we got the focus, so we can go for the focus for the objects that are really close to our lens, but we can also change it to go far away. So as you can see right now it doesn't catch focus near lens. When we put it far away from the camera, it will catch the focus. And take a look on my hand and how it changed when I move slider. I hope that you can see it right now. Next we got the shutter speed. So if you want to take the quick photo, definitely go like that, but you have to remember that it will definitely will get less light to the lenses. So if you are outside and it's dark scenario, definitely you have to move your shutter speed, for example like that. There we got the ISO, so we can change. It's very close to the wide balance. I always use it as auto. Here we got the EV and the lens. We can change from wide to ultra wide, and we can also reset all of this setting to default. And if you don't know what is going on here we got the tutorial of this every feature that you can find here. So that's how this mode looks in this smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.